Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you now how to deactivate your Instagram account. Okay, let's start. Click on Instagram account. Follow my steps and click on Instagram profile logo. Again, click on 3 dot icon logo. Then click on Account Center. Scroll down and click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Again, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on Instagram account profile name and select Deactivate account option. Click on Continue option. Enter here your Instagram account password and click on Continue option. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.